Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In previous lecture we have seen three schema architecture and today we'll learn about data independence and its purpose. So data independence is the property of database management system which will help you to change the database schema at one level of database system without requiring to change the schema at next higher level. Data independence can also be called as data transparency. Which means that application programs should not ideally expose to the details of data representation and storage. In simple words, what it means is it separates data from programs. You can call application programs that uses it. And if we make some changes in the database, will not affect application program. It means we need not have to change the coding within the application program. There are two types of data independence. First is logical data independence and second is physical data independence. We'll see it one by one. This is our three schema architecture and now we will see logical data independence and physical data independence. Logical or conceptual schema describes the overall structure of database or structure of whole database and focuses on describing data types, entities and relationships, etc. So, logical data independence is ability to change logical schema or conceptual schema without affecting the external schema, or you can say application program. Okay, example you can consider here. So we are demonstrating ER diagram as a conceptual schema. So you can add, remove any attribute or relationship from the ER diagram and it will not affect the external schema or application program. It means we don't have to rewrite the application program if we make some changes in the conceptual schema. Okay. The next is physical data independence. Physical schema defines the physical structure of the database. Physical storage structure of the database. The physical data independence helps to separate this conceptual schema from internal or physical schema. Okay. With physical data independence, you can easily change the physical structure, physical storage structure of database without affecting the conceptual schema. Example you can take here is you can change the data structure at physical level. You can modify the indexes. You can change the hashing algorithm or modify the hashing algorithms over here at the physical level by using physical data independence. Okay. Then what is the importance of this data independence? Data independence improves the quality of the data. Suppose you want to make changes into database system. Okay, it will not affect the application program. So the database system maintenance becomes affordable. That's all with the today's session. Thank you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.